If you are a sales team manager that is struggling to keep your reps knowledgeable on sales material and keep them supported, keep watching because we have the solution for you. Keeping reps knowledgeable can prove to be a daunting task without the right tools. You want to help your team learn and to answer their questions. However, manually answering repetitive questions from reps and using a disorganized, shared document library stops a sales business from growing faster. Answering rep questions robs you of time during work and during your off time. Reps that don't have easy access to company info won't be able to retain company facts and won't be able to close as many deals. The solution to these problems is a knowledge base. A knowledge base is a software tool that acts as a customizable digital library of information. There are knowledge bases tailored to all sorts of companies and needs. Sales businesses looking for a knowledge base should look for not just any knowledge base, but one that is equipped with AI features, flexible file organization, and easy mobile access. AI search tools are a must for a knowledge base, especially for sales companies. AI tools are able to fetch info from files by taking into account the meaning of words they are asked, and are able to generate constructive answers based on that info. When reps ask the same repetitive questions, often phrased slightly differently, AI tools can answer them. Now, managers obviously wouldn't want to grant access to every single company doc to a freshly hired sales rep. Sales managers need a knowledge base that offers the means to create a well-organized document library that reps can access when authorized to find the right guides and policies with little effort. Reps also ask a lot of questions while in the field. This is why sales teams require a knowledge base that supports mobile access. Knowledge bases that have a more mobile-friendly experience are much more effective at supporting reps compared to ones that are only accessible via a browser, which tend to be slow and unreliable. With all of this in mind, we have put together a list of the top 10 AI-powered knowledge bases for field sales teams to help you unblock your reps quickly. This list is made to help you make an informed decision on which one would be the best fit for you and your business. Let's get started. ConveYour is a knowledge platform that lets you use your knowledge to recruit, onboard, train, and retain your sales reps with tools that help you launch you towards your goal of producing effective sales teams. ConveYour's Field AI is designed to unblock your sales reps, cut down on field support costs, and help your reps close more deals. Field AI answers rep questions based on documentation as well as a sales rep's file access, title, experience, and location, giving hyper-personalized responses. Accessible on the go via the web app, Field AI essentially acts as a company expert that is accessible from every sales rep's pocket at all times. ConveYour enables you to store and neatly organize all of your files and also tailor folder visibility on an individual rep basis. You can drop your PDFs, SOPs, FAQs, and guides right into your ConveYour file library. Files can also be used in ConveYour's Content Builder, a fully customizable way for you to train your field reps so you can scale faster. ConveYour's Content Builder comes with audio, video, and file embeds, as well as gamified quiz formats you can use to make the learning process more engaging for all of your hires, new and old. You can also use these content sections to manage e-signing for streamlining the agreement process for new hires. ConveYour is best for large field sales and technicians teams needing AI-powered tools that users can use to keep reps supported on the information they have access to. Speaking of access, ConveYour also offers dynamic knowledge access to help you automatically tailor a rep's folder visibility based on role and the content they have digested. Reps can also access content with ConveYour's progressive web mobile app. This means you can add it to your phone's home screen and access your knowledge while on the go. Notion is more than a simple note-taking tool. It is a knowledge hub that makes the company wiki creation process simpler. Notion offers a diverse tool set for enriching wiki docs and for managing a knowledge workspace, such as toggles and image and video embeds. Notion supports collaborative editing and document commenting for suggesting edits, and built-in page templates for optimizing the formatting process. Notion AI is capable of summarizing documents and providing explanations for certain items. Document managers can also gain access to information from multiple software sources through Notion's AI-powered enterprise search. Companies seeking a flexible solution for their knowledge base can get the most out of Notion and its customizable features and layouts that are also available via templates. These document templates can be helpful for training, but basic documentation isn't as effective at ensuring that learners retain the information they learn and at tracking who has digested information. Guru is a knowledge base that focuses on giving its users a software that is linked to all the tools they rely on. Guru is able to directly integrate with numerous software tools ranging from messaging platforms to other data storage tools. To view all knowledge sources in one place, Guru users can leverage the intranet homepage to view custom pages, categorize content by team, topic, or project with built-in access controls. Guru also offers AI knowledge agents that can fetch information from all sorts of softwares and answer based on material in those softwares. These agents can be customized with names, what softwares they have access to, where they can be accessed from, Slack for example, and prompt settings. Companies that rely on many different platforms for messaging and document storage can benefit greatly from Guru's wide array of integrations and its browser extension that keeps every bit of info in reach. On that note, Guru is more of a software connection tool than an all-in-one solution for knowledge storage management, and might not be the best for companies looking for a more robust platform for page creation and documentation. Bloomfire is a knowledge management platform that comes with doc creation and sharing features, AI-powered search, and page engagement insights. Users can produce content with Bloomfire's generative AI and prompt it to summarize excerpts and highlight key points. Users of Bloomfire are able to find company answers they need with Bloomfire's AI-powered unified search solution that can derive info from integrated apps like Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. Bloomfire can work great for the user experience, supporting visuals and personalized dynamic content for team members to view. However, Bloomfire does not have a dedicated mobile app and instead urges its users to access it via a web browser, which is far less effective than a native or progressive web app. Confluence is an AI-driven knowledge base with workspaces for company ideation, content creation, and documentation. Pages is Confluence's documents tool where users can make real-time edits. Teams can take notes, plan projects, and refine ideas. Confluence users can keep teams in the loop with inline page comments and by incorporating visual elements such as images, GIFs, and emojis into their documents. Confluence users can use Rovo AI, the knowledge base's built-in AI chatbot and assistant that can turn notes into neatly arranged documents and captivating presentations and generally improve writing. The AI also comes with a search functionality to help team members find the right material and context. With the help of pre-built document templates, Confluence users can create and add any type of content they would like into their knowledge base. Now, Confluence doesn't have the ability to automatically grant access to certain pages based on a team member's skill level or training progress. Slite is a knowledge software that enables its users to create documentation and draw out their company wiki with simplistic editing features and integrations that tie everything together. Slite is able to integrate with many other apps. Users can embed media from apps such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, Mermaid, Grain, Vimeo, and YouTube. Slite is also able to directly integrate with Slack, letting users search through threads and ask Slite's AI questions from Slack. Slite's AI-powered editor comes with numerous formatting options for creating documents with ease. Slite's AI can make suggestions, correct grammatical errors, put together documents, and answer user questions based on verified company docs. People wanting better document management can get a lot of value out of Slite and its storage management features. Users can check if information is still relevant and see which docs require updates using Slite's AI-driven insights. Slite's features focus primarily on forming a company wiki and not so much on document management, lacking automated methods for widening a user's knowledge access. This also makes it harder for AI to give personalized answers to reps. Axero is a digital workplace software for centralizing all company-related data. Axero's document editing and organization allows for team collaboration and simplified creation. Axero provides users with analytics tools for tracking content statistics. These analytics list metrics like who has read certain documentation and who has produced the most content. Speaking of reading, managers can also set certain docs as required reading for team members. Spaces are virtual workplaces that can be made for all facets and departments of a business. By creating spaces, companies can improve organization and draw finer lines between departments. A space can be made for a company's sales team, where managers can upload sales documents for reps to access anytime. Businesses that have many divisions can get the most out of Axero's team management and workspace features. Axero has a very wide application and dabbles in numerous industries such as banking, real estate and construction, insurance, and many others. Axero does have features that sales companies can use, like the mobile app, but the feature set isn't specifically tailored to sales. Tettra is a company knowledge curation and internal Q&A platform that simplifies knowledge categorization and streamlines the means of accessing said information for answering questions. Tettra customers can use its basic editor, existing Google Docs, and Markdown files to assemble their knowledge base. To help fill in the gaps of missing content, teammates can make requests and suggestions for new pages and page updates. Tettra comes with its own AI search tool called Kai that can answer team questions when asked through the messaging platform known as Slack or through Tettra directly. Kai will search through provided content and give the proper answer. If a certain question hasn't been answered yet, Kai can assign a company expert to answer and add that quick answer to the Q&A roster. Teammates can also mention Kai with a question in any Slack channel, streamlining Q&A. It can even prompt users to ask it to make new documents based on new information in a Slack channel. Tettra advertises its connection with Slack as being one of its main selling points. When team members ask repetitive questions, managers can connect Tetra's AI to any Slack channel they want to answer those questions and create new pages based on new questions. Slack integration is one of Tetra's main features. As a result, those who don't use it wouldn't get as much value out of the software. Nuclino is a software that is designed to be a collective brain of sorts for a whole company. Nuclino offers its users the ability to embed content from many of their software tools, adding interactive diagrams and elements to their documents. Nuclino comes with templates for content inspiration and for reducing the need to ponder on a format. Nuclino's Sidekick AI acts as a co-pilot to the user for every facet in Nuclino. Content contributors can draft up documents with the help of Sidekick AI, which can make suggestions, summarize text excerpts, fix grammatical errors, and generate ideas on related topics. Nuclino's AI can also generate AI images to complement pages. Users of Nuclino are able to connect to their existing tools with the many integrations that Nuclino has to offer. For those wanting to promote teamwork, Nuclino has built-in collaborative tools for creating documents and brainstorming. Since content access has to be managed manually, users won't be able to get Nuclino's AI to give as personalized responses. Slab is a knowledge-based software that lets its users cultivate their business information from technical pages to onboarding manuals. Slab's content creation tools allows its users to create a page from scratch, make use of its wide array of templates, or import from existing files. Team members can use topics to sort company workflows, updates, and ideas, and use its built-in analytics feature to view changes made to documents in a topic. Slab provides a search tool that sources not just documents made in Slab, but documents from other softwares also. Slab's unified search can fetch answers from content inside many integrated knowledge tools. Slab's templates can provide users with the tools to create custom templates depending on their use case, creating playbooks, sales reports, customer reviews, etc. As for mobile access, Slab doesn't have a dedicated mobile app for accessing knowledge and is only usable through a browser, which is often slower than a dedicated app. Now, who are we again? ConveYour is a leading platform designed to help you recruit, onboard, train, and retain more sales reps with less manual work so you can grow faster and dominate in your industry. If you are interested in a knowledge-based software that is armed with tools that automate your training and field support, ConveYour is the software for you. If you are interested in looking at these knowledge bases in more detail, we put out a detailed post on our website. The link to the post is in the description below, as are the links to all the websites of the knowledge bases we referenced in this video. So go ahead and check those out. Thanks for watching.